is the Kincardine Times. It's Saturday, August 20th, and I'm down here at Station Beach, down by the harbor in Kincardine. We're actually down here for International Youth Day, but the weather, the clouds are just incredible down here by the lake. We've got really dark clouds, dark sky. This kayaking guy just came in. Several boats have come in because the water's so rough. And you can't blame them because it's really, really windy down here. And if it does happen to rain, it'd be good because we really need some rain around here. But it might just put a damper on the International Youth Day, the soccer tournament's going on today. And several other events outside. This is the Kincardine Times, capturing the weather down here at Lake Huron, Station Beach, Kincardine.